Class 5, this is your chapter 9, multiplication and division of fractions. You already know that fractions, they have two parts, the numerator and the denominator. So here we will study about multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. So the rule is a fraction into a whole number is equal to numerator of the fraction into whole number upon denominator of the fraction. To understand this rule better, let us see the short examples. First one, multiply 1 upon 2 by 5. Now here this 1 upon 2 is the fraction and it is multiplied by a whole number. So the numerator of the fraction 1 is multiplied by 5, which is a whole number, upon denominator 2. After multiplication we get 5 upon 2, which is an improper fraction, so we have to convert it into a mixed fraction and this will be our answer. Next example, we have 5 upon 6 multiplied by 8. So here we have again the same rule to be followed. The numerator is multiplied by the whole number and the denominator is 6. Now after the rule is put in, we have the numbers 6 and 8 which are divisible by 2. So we can reduce the numbers and we get 5 into 4 upon 3. That is 20 upon 3, an improper fraction. So we have to convert it again to the mixed fraction. Third example, we have to multiply 3 upon 8 by 20. Now this is a mixed fraction which is multiplying with the whole number. So first you have to convert it to the improper fraction and then multiply by the whole number. We get 43 into 20 upon 8. Now this numbers we see 8 and 20 can be divisible by 4. So we reduce it and we finally get 43 into 5 upon 2, and that's 215 upon 2, an improper fraction. So we finally get our answer as a mixed fraction. Next we have multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. So we will follow the rule, product of two fractions is equal to product of their numerator upon product of their denominators. Let us see the examples again. We have multiply 7 upon 10 by 5 upon 21. So we multiply the numerators and the denominators, like 7 into 5 upon 10 into 21. Now I have already told you how to reduce the numbers. So we will make it simplified by dividing 5 ones are, and 10 is also divisible by 5. Then 7 ones are and 21 is divisible by 7. We get 1 into 1 upon 2 into 3. Finally 1 upon 6 is our answer. Example 2, we have 3 upon 5 to be multiplied by 7 upon 13. Now as you can see, this is a mixed fraction. So we have to convert it into an improper fraction and then multiply. So we have converted it and then we will reduce it. Finally we get 7 upon 5 and we finally get a mixed fraction, that is 2 upon 5. Example number 3. Here we have 8 upon 21 to be multiplied by 3 upon 4. Now this second fraction is a mixed fraction, so we need to convert it into an improper fraction and we get 8 upon 21 into 27 upon 4. We reduce the numbers and we finally get 2 into 9 upon 7. That is 18 upon 7, and the final answer 4 upon 7 is a mixed fraction. The fourth example, we have 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 22. Here both the fractions are the mixed fractions. So we have to convert them into an improper fraction and then multiply them. So we get 77 upon 6 into 27 upon 22, and when we reduce it we get 7 into 9 upon 2 into 2, and that is 49 upon 4, an improper fraction which need to be convert it into a mixed fraction, which is our final answer. Now next topic is word problems on multiplication of fractions. Now here students, we have the question like the cost of 1 liter of toned milk is rupees 26 upon 5. What is the cost of 12 1 upon 2 liter of milk? So we need to write the statements. Cost of 1 liter of milk is rupees 26 upon 5. Therefore, the cost of 12 1 upon 2 liter of milk will be. As we can see, we are given the cost of 1. We have to find the cost of many. So the operation we need to follow is multiplication. So when we multiply, we have to convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then we have to reduce them and finally multiply. So we reduce them, 5 ones are, 5 fives are, and we get 665 upon 2. When we divide it further, we get 332.50. So the cost of 12 1 upon 2 liter of milk is rupees 332.50. I hope students you have understood all the methods and the rules of multiplication of fractions. So your homework is in the PDF.